It's a 2023 INFINITI QX80. This high-end, full-size SUV inspires and empowers. You can feel it in the smooth, rising swell of its engine and every time you get inside the luxurious cabin. It's well-equipped with the features you need. Automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather bucket seats, streaming video feed rear-view mirror, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, and V8 engine. Empower your drive with the performance, luxury, and beauty of INFINITI. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today. Call us today at 813-565-0061.